In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to collaborate with you on Coda. Whether you're working on a team project, planning an event, or just organizing your thoughts, Coda is a fantastic tool to bring all your ideas and collaborators together in one place. So let's get started with our step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to head to the Coda website. Coda is known as your all-in-one collaborative workspace, and it's designed to simplify teamwork and streamline your projects. Once you're there, you'll notice a button that says Get Started. Click on it to begin the setup process. Coda integrates smoothly with Google services, so when you're prompted, choose the Google option. This will allow you to sign in using your Google account, ensuring easy access and syncing with other Google tools you might be using. Next, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you want to use with Coda. This selection will log you into Coda and bring you to the main workspace, ready for you to start or continue your project. It's worth noting that using your Google account not only saves time, but also ensures that your documents are more secure, utilizing Google's robust security features. Once you're logged in, open the specific document you want to work on. It might be a to-do list, a project plan, or any other document you have in mind. Just navigate to your document library or workspace and click on the document you want to share. Now let's move on to sharing your document. Look for the Share button, which is usually positioned at the top right of your screen. Clicking this will open up the sharing settings. Here you can type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure that you type it correctly to avoid any errors in sending the invitation. After you've entered their email, click on the Invite button. This will send them an invitation to access your document. It's essential to specify what level of access they should have. You can choose from Can Edit, Can View, or Can Comment, depending on the level of interaction you want them to have with your document. For example, if you just want them to see the content, select Can View. If you need their input, Can Comment might be more appropriate. For full collaboration, select Can Edit. Finally, once you're satisfied with the settings and have reviewed everything, click on Send. This dispatches the invitation, complete with the access level you set, directly to their inbox. Congratulations, you've just invited someone to collaborate on Coda, making it easy to work together from anywhere. Remember, collaboration is a powerful tool, and with Coda, sharing and working together has never been simpler.